All of the manufacturers of the undermount slides in the industry today take the time to make technical drawings of the drawer runners and even of the rear mounting brackets. And in the beginning, when they first came out, I always tried to figure out how to get the rear bracket or socket into the cabinet just by all kinds of different apparatuses and jigs and so on. But then I decided to take advantage of the technical drawing that they gave to make a jig for installing rear mounting sockets. You might want to do that too. Blum has a good drawing. Salici does. They have a really nice drawing. KV, another company called Pride. There's Headache. All kinds of manufacturers of the undermount slides produce technical drawings of the screw hole locations on their rear mounting brackets. So this video clip that you're going to see here, I have it attached in 2 other videos, but I wanted to put it alone so you could just look at that if you wanted to. The first thing I like to do is install the rear mounting brackets into the cabinet. And that can be a challenge at times. So I like to make a template like the one you see here. And in the manufacturer's drawing you see on the right there, the red line in that drawing reflects the lines that I'm drawing on the template. So I'll draw for the left and the right side of the cabinet. And the reason I do that is because sometimes the space behind the face frame is different. And if you don't do it for both sides, you could run into trouble if you tried to flip the template. So there, those lines are drawn, and now we move on to the next step in this process, and that is locating a vertical line that goes right up the center of the rear mounting bracket. We're trying to locate the center of those oval holes that you see in the mounting bracket. So we're moving over by 14 millimeters, 9/16 of an inch from the side of the face frame over and marking the template and drawing a line that'll help us to identify exactly where to make the holes for mounting the rear mounting bracket. Now we have the vertical line drawn, and now we need to locate the center of the oval hole on the horizontal line, and that we measure up 5/8 of an inch from the bottom of the drawer runner, like you see here in this image, and make a mark for the bottom cabinet, or the bottom drawer, and we do the same thing on the top drawer. I'll locate the center of the oval hole. And with that done, we move on to the oval hole that's in the top of the rear mounting bracket. And that means another 1.25 inches or 32 millimeters up from the other hole. And we'll mark those in. And now we have the center of the oval hole on the top of the rear mounting bracket and the center of the oval hole on the bottom of the rear mounting bracket. So we're ready to go. We can take our drill and drill some holes right through our template. And you can see the little red dots on the rear mounting bracket. That's where those holes are. I'll take the template now, as you can see how it fits behind the face frame and what we've done. And I'm going to move that template to the back of the cabinet and use it to make some pilot holes for mounting the rear mounting brackets. So here's the left side. I'll drill for the lower drawer and the upper drawer. Now the right side for the lower drawer and the upper drawer. And now the pilot holes are there. I can start installing my rear mounting brackets. Now again, the screws that we're putting in here go in the center of the oval hole. It's a pan head screw. And manufacturers like to have 3 screws in the rear mounting bracket or socket, whatever you want to call it. And personally, I put 4 in. And in this sample that I'm making, I'll only put in 3. So it's the center of the oval hole and then an extra screw on each bracket to meet specifications. Well, there it is. That's taking advantage of the technical drawings provided by the manufacturer. I hope you were able to benefit from this video. And if you did, give us the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe. I hope you liked it.